Hey, run. Hey, go. Just go out there. Oh, okay. You're like, nah, I'm not running. Oh, dude, that's over your head, bro. Maybe if you were 6'4", you would have had that. And you were black. I saw this guy doing the infield. I think he set that off up. Third.
So he caught it. 3 outs. I'm out. I'm tired now. That's how it goes. Back to second.
Yeah.
I don't eat much. Always. Come down, baby. Good pitch. Good throw. Good shit. All right.
You got a little camera going on there?
Yeah. We're going to see how it works, baby. Let's go. Pitch. Oh, no. Long swing. Can corner. Hey, baby. Hey, kid, Chase. Good inning.
You're not going to be able to walk tomorrow, though.
0-2. You got none. Oh, shit. Let it cut! Hey, way to get up, Christopher. 2. Crispy. Keep it crispy, boys. But you're up.
We had to go buy new pants, man.
I did. I had 2 new pants. I'm about to bring it back up. All right, Blake.
That's what was helping you win, or helping you play good, man.
Oh, get legs, baseball. Get legs, baseball. Get legs, baseball. Woo!
Or C4.
There, baby.
Way to go, bro.
Taking some. We break it up. No, you're good. That's what you're supposed to do, dude. That's what you're supposed to do. I had nothing behind it. He took me in. There's a car coming the other way. We got 2 down. Hey, touch your bag. Up, in. 2. Got it, baby. One. Hey, is that 3? Okay. Oops.